This is a true lifeline for plants during the peak of summer heat. When summer reaches its hottest point and the sun shows no mercy, vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers begin to suffer. The ground turns dry as dust moisture vanishes quickly, and despite regular watering, you may notice that the plants look tired, leaves start losing their color, and flowers stop forming. What they truly need in that moment is a gentle type of help, something that gives them strength without putting extra pressure on them. In this guide, you will learn how to create a simple natural blend using ingredients you probably already have. This mix will help your plants handle the heat and keep growing healthy as if nothing is wrong. It is all about balancing nutrients with elements that protect the plants from stress and pests. Feel free to write in the comments what vegetables you enjoy growing the most. Thank you for being here. Start by pouring 200 milliliters of water into a container and mix in 1 full spoon of wood ash. Wood ash is packed with useful elements like potassium, which supports flowering, calcium, which keeps plant cells strong and prevents rot on the fruits, and phosphorus, which helps roots grow deeper and stronger. Next, crush some clean, dry eggshells into fine powder and add that to the mixture. Eggshells are a great source of calcium, and during hot weather, they play an important role in protecting fruiting vegetables from stress and helping them form firm, healthy fruits. They also improve the structure of the soil, making it easier for roots to expand. Then add a few spoons of plain vinegar and leave the mixture to rest for a full day. When vinegar touches with ash and eggshell powder, a natural chemical reaction takes place. You will see bubbles, which means that carbon dioxide is being released. This process turns some of the calcium into a form that dissolves in water, making it easier for plants to take in through their roots. Finally, add 1 spoon of lavender tea. Lavender has natural compounds that many insects dislike, and it is known to reduce pest problems in gardens. It helps protect the plants from unwanted bugs and may even slow the spread of fungal issues, while leaving a light herbal scent in the soil. Stir everything well and let it rest for a few more hours. Then strain the liquid and dilute it with 2 liters of water. Give each plant about 300 to 400 milliliters of this mix every 10 days. With this kind of gentle care, your vegetables will be much better prepared for extreme heat and will continue to grow, bloom, and produce fruits just like in the perfect season. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It costs you nothing but means a lot to us and helps us make even more useful content for you. Thank you, and see you next time.